Hey guys, Brian and Jeff with wrenchesandrides.com, and we have the new Factory UTV above the roof spare tire carrier for the Can-Am Maverick X3. Now this will fit all the Can-Am models, even if you have the reservoir shocks back here. This is an XRS, and this thing to us is perfect.
It's exactly where we want to mount a tire to open up the usable space in the trunk. The trunk isn't very big, and you put a tire carrier back there, you lose everything. You lose your visibility, everything. So
we can put some boxes back here, still open the lids because this tire is moved forward a little bit. It's just greatness.
It gives us a little bit more height, but I don't think it's anything to worry about.
No, especially we installed this and then we went out and ripped. Could you even tell when you were ripping around that you had any extra weight up high?
Didn't even notice it.
And I think that's what's cool about this. It gives you some great options. Now this is going to be available in Can-Am Red, which is
Orange.
Orange, eh?
Eh?
So let's not go there.
Yeah.
And also black. So it's going to be around $300. We'll put a link in the description to Factory UTV. I think this is pretty cool, but the installation of it is what's even cooler because it was simple.
You can use two guys just to make it a little faster, but one guy can put it on in probably 15, 20 minutes.
Exactly.
Nothing to it.
Nothing. We took our shock reservoirs and moved them down about 2 inches. So we just loosened them up and let them kind of droop. And then we installed the first bar that's going to go across, and we installed it tight to the
upper gusset on both sides. Tighten it down, put it in place, and then we went back to the reservoirs.
We just moved them back up so they're close on both sides.
Yeah, we got about an 1/8 inch on top and 1/8 inch on the bottom.
And you can roll them in, roll them out. You can put them wherever you'd like here. We kept them pretty much in the factory position, and they fit perfectly. From there, we just centered up the stud that holds the tire and locked it in place lightly so you could still move it.
Put the tire on it, tightened the tire up so it was sitting flat on the mounting plate, and then got out and looked at it and positioned it where we wanted it.
And then once we tightened that up, everything was good. I mean, this really is super, super simple, and you can do it 15 minutes in your garage, probably alone at max.
2 Allen wrenches, that's it. You're done.
And it's super solid. And that's what, after we took it out for a rip, and I think that really proved it to me. When you can watch that thing flying by you, and this thing is just rock solid sitting up there. Not only does it look cool, it's functional because it keeps everything out of the way. It just gives you the space that you need, and it's not overly high.
It adds a little more cool factor, adding a little bit of orange to the back of the machine, or red, whatever you want to call it.
This color and this machine, if any of you guys have this, I mean, we've added so much orange accent to it. It's awesome.
Yeah, and nothing you've put on it, at least that we have put on it so far, makes it look gaudy.
No.
It's just a little bit.
Factory UTV stuff, I have to give them props because first off, everything is threaded. It comes with the bolts already put into the mounting plates.
So you're not cleaning up powder coat out of the threads.
It's
and
perfect.
Wasting time.
It's so,
take it out of the box, put it on.
That's the way everyone should be.
Yeah.
I don't get it. I don't get why people just don't do that. They have our business simply because of how they put this stuff together, how they ship it, how we get it, and how easy it is to install. So again, links in the description. Highly recommend you check out some of their stuff. If you're looking for this, it's going to be in the $300 mark, but it's well worth every penny. Rock solid, powder coating was great, matches all the other orange we've got perfectly. Thumbs up, man. So make sure you give us a like in this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on that bell for notifications, leave your comments below, tell us what you want, like, don't like in a tire carrier. We always like to talk to you guys. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.